So, Peter Obi has reportedly agreed to run for just 4 years if elected president in 2027. And now, many Igbos are asking, why only just 4 years? I mean, the Nigerian constitution allows 8 years, right? So why should the first ever serious Igbo presidential candidate be limited to just half of that? Some people believe this is a compromise, a condition to let an Igbo man lead. Others think Peter Obi can do more in 4 years than many have done in 8 years. So personally, do you think Peter Obi can rewrite all the wrongs that has happened in Nigeria in just 4 years, or he cannot be able to? Let me know in the comment section what you think. Do you support the idea of Peter Obi doing just one term, or he should just step down, as this man suggested in the video? Because some people are saying it's better he steps down and run for just 4 years.
This message is for Peter Obi. Peter Obi, listen to me. Let me tell you, my brother, I'm an Igbo man like you, but I use my brain and I study very hard to understand Nigerian politics and know when they are trying to trick me. Peter Obi, he reach for Igbo man turn. You say na 4 years you go do. Why you go do 4 years? Why will you accept to do 4 years, Peter Obi? I ask you. Why? Why will you accept to do 4 years? Okay, is it the condition they gave to you? Peter Obi, if you cannot run for 8 years, go and sit down. Peter Obi, I repeat, if you know you cannot run for 8 years, go and sit down. Let Tinubu continue. Let Tinubu continue. Make a tell us something I don't know. For all these politicians to come together and say they want Tinubu down in less than 2 years, there must be something Tinubu is doing right. Maybe they affect us civilians, but there must be something Tinubu is doing right. We need to favor those politicians. Because if they favor them, they're not going to come out. They don't come out. If Amechi is in this government, he will not come out to tell you Nigerians are hungry. If El Rufai is in this government, he will not come out to tell you Nigerians are hungry. If Tinubu play the game with a woman play, they will not come out to tell you Nigerians are hungry. Do you think they care about you? They don't care about you. They don't care about you. Look at Abuja. I lived in Abuja also. Abuja is a mess. Abuja was a mess. Now, not that be the minister that time. For 8 years, Abuja was like dustbin. Capital. Capital for that matter was like dustbin. Wike came in. Tinubu came in. I bring Wike. Wike not be nothing. In less than 2 years, Wike don't they transform the state. He don't they bring sanity back to Abuja. Fine, they talk about land issue. But he don't they bring sanity back to the capital. Make that place clean at least. Look at Festus Keyamo, the lawyer. Our airport that was being handled, the aviation that was being handled by a northerner. If you go Nigerian airport, common toilet paper, tissue, no they there. Nigerian airport was like a mess. You come back from abroad like this, the heat will go first start to catch you for airport. It will make you tired for your country. Now they gave it to Festus Keyamo, not a northerner. Festus Keyamo, a lawyer. When they say he don't know anything, look at what Festus Keyamo is doing. Transforming our aviation system, transforming our airport. If you go Lagos State Airport now, Moitala, you go shocked. The last time I traveled, I was like, now Moitala be this. Look at Tunde Ojo, look at what he's doing. Look at what he's doing. They gave that same position to Aregbe Shola. What did he do for 8 years? Nothing. Nothing. Nigerians, people should be smart. Listen, Peter Obi, they want to use you now. They want to bring you because they're not sentimental. Nigerians will look, oh, because we love Peter Obi, obedient movement, they will put you in. In less than 2 years, they will kick you out to bring Atiku. Listen, ADC, they will give Peter Obi the ticket. Let me talk him. They will give him the ticket because he has already agreed to do 4 years. Why? Peter Obi, why would you agree to do 4 years? Not be human being, you be. Igbo people know they're qualified to do 8 years. Let Tinubu run. Tinubu should do his 8 years. Yes, make him do the 8 years. Peter Obi, if you know say that 4 years he won't do, go and sit down. Let Tinubu complete his 8 years. Yes. This administration will not favor the North. In quotes, they say you not favor them. How you not they favor them? Or Northern children. When Buhari was there, Alamajiri not full everywhere. Was there no poverty in the North when Buhari was there? Was there no Boko Haram ravaging everywhere? The alleged Fulani herdsmen were they not everywhere in the North? What did Buhari do? Rotimi Amechi, you know that Lagos State and Southeast now hub of commercial hub. You don't do railway there. From Lagos to Southeast, no railway. But you were busy doing Maradi standard gauge. You built transportation university for Katsina. Who they go to university now? Selfishness. Who they go there? But now Rotimi is the good man. You want Obi. They want to bring Obi there. They want to use Obi. Make we emotionally vote Obi. Then in 2 years, they will kick him out. Tinubu have not even done 2 years. They are giving him heat. What can Obi do in 4 years? Obi, do you think you can run Nigeria and do magic in 4 years or in 2 years? You know they use your brain. Sorry. If you are not ready, I repeat, to do 8 years, live there, let Tinubu do his 8 years. There must be something, I repeat, Tinubu is doing right. We are saying dollar is 1,500. Have we not asked ourselves, why was the dollar 7 something? You people don't understand economics at all. They pay me. You don't study economics. You don't study simple economics. Buhari was busy borrowing money, pushing us, making us feel like our Naira get value. Which value Naira gets? Which value Naira gets? You don't understand. Oh, poverty, the food is expensive. Why is food expensive in Nigeria? Not be Boko Haram and late Fulani men. They terrorize Benue and the rest where we can get our food from. Okay, now Tinubu, they do that one. Nigeria be smart. As much as I love Obi, but Obi, if you know you come to do 4 years, go and sit down. We don't need that. Let Tinubu continue.